wanna hear about the plug walk, I ain't with the drug talk. I'm too busy trying to get this money, motherfucker. I'll be ready when it jump off. Y'all the sweetest plum sauce, heart still cold when it's sunny, motherfucker. If they hating, then it's their fault. I got better shit to do right now. Better watch what you say and be careful. If they want it, we can solve it right now. I've been working hard, I've been doing okay. I'm ready for anything that come my way. I've been working hard, I've been doing okay. I'm ready for anything that come my way. Come my way. Really though, these little kids are just pitiful. I should hit them quicker than drinking while eating edibles. I'm the centerfold, the lyricism, you bet I'm dope. I'm flying so high in the sky that you need a telescope. Whoa, now murky on some other shit. Handsome motherfucker, even though I look like Pickle Rick. I'm militant, I pillage these illegitimate lyricists. I'm battling the mirror and I fear that I need a therapist. I got these issues that I can't solve. I've been going crazy, sniffing lots of bath salts off my passport. See, I've been shooting but I can't score, cause everyone I thought was loyal just bounced like the backboard. These rap blogs want a piece of me, They never used to, now they love me cause they see I got views. It ain't easy to do. I remember teachers at school used to tell me to quit rap, but now I'm richer than you, bitch. It's kinda funny how these things change. I've been on the top but I was down there at the bottom like a shit stain. My bar's harder than all of y'all, I'm the godfather. All my dogs barking with lockjaw, but he non-slaughter. Fuck a plug walk, I ain't with the drug talk. I'm too busy trying to get this money, motherfucker. I'll be ready when it jump off. Y'all the sweetest plum sauce, heart still cold when it's sunny, motherfucker. If they hating, then it's their fault. I got better shit to do right now. Better watch what you say and be careful. If they want it, we can solve it right now. I've been working hard, I've been doing okay. I'm ready for anything that come my way. I've been working hard, I've been doing okay. I'm ready for anything that come my way. Come my way. So hate or love me, I'm making money like Jay and Puffy. Ain't it funny, I'm in the net like I'm playing rugby. They're praying for me like Kim K. When Ye get nutty, I weigh a roughly 260 cause these rappers make me hungry. Like Justin, I'm Canadian and that's true though. But really take a look at the state we in, this is brutal. Real rap, so they play my shit at the group homes. Fuck it, I'ma live with the aliens out in Pluto. Cause no one's really trying to bug me up there. Just bring the weed and the tequila and I'm fucking prepared. I'll face the world all at once, only suckers get scared. I got her madder than your shorty when you nuttin' her hair. Oops, Merc, relax, the kids might be listening. Word, that's facts, but this ain't your business. My shit gas, y'all e-brake front. Till Slaughterhouse, I got enough bars to replace Button. So you trippin' if you thinking you could actually compete with me. I don't battle rappers, I'm still battling obesity. Half these cats rapping a whack, so give the beat to me. It's me, myself, and I. This shit a feast for three.